Okay, right, we're looking at this next question here, drawing quadratic graphs. Complete the table of value for y equals 2x squared minus 3x. Okay, so I've set up the working space here. I've written out the equation 3 times. Which equation? This equation here. So I've written out here once here, another time here, and I've written it here as well. And we're going to use the values of minus 1, 1, and 2 in these equations. So I've set the first one up. This is the calculator aloud question. So we just got here. So I'm just going to write down what we're going to do first in the calculator, and then let the calculator do the working out. So 2 times by x squared, x has a value of minus 1 from the table. So 2 times by minus 1 squared minus 3 times by minus 1. So let's use the calculator as it's allowing us to do it. So it'll be 2 multiply by, we use brackets here, little baby minus here, this minus 1, close bracket, squared. And take away 3 times by little bracket, and a little baby minus, and then the 1, close bracket, equals. So that gives us an answer of
5.
5. So y is equal to 5
Let me just draw 5.
when x is equal to minus 1. So we get our red pen and we write over here, no, 5. Now we've got to work out the when x is 1. So in here we put 1, 1. So we say y is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 squared minus 3 times by 1. So calculator, okay. So we have, oops, too low, can't see it. 2 times by 1 squared. Two times by 1 squared, take away 3 times by 1. That'll give you an answer of
Minus 1. Yes.
y equals minus 1 when x is equal to what, Ali?
X equals
1.
yeah.
So we get the red pen and we put in here
X equals 1.
minus 1. The last one is 2. So we will see x put 2 in there. So y is equal to 2 times by 2 squared. Take away 3 times by 2. Calculator. 2 times by 2 squared. Take away 3 times by 2. You don't really need a calculator for this, but I know you guys are so lazy. So what's the answer?
2.
So we have minus 2 gives us an answer of 14. Okay, now 14 is going to be here. Minus 1 is going to be 5. 0 is going to be 0. And 1 is going to be minus 1. And 2 is going to be 2. And 3 is going to be 9. So you should get those points. So what we're practicing is what we've been learning in negative numbers in context of a linear equation, and this one is a quadratic equation. So that should give you a nice curve. I'm going to try my best to give you a nice curve, but we'll see how it goes. Right, remember, I'm using this the hardware, so it's a bit more difficult for me to, if I miss it a bit, you all should go through it. Okay, folks, so you should get something that looks like that. And that is the end of the session. And you make sure you pick up your homework copies. We finish here.